Skin is the largest human organ and protects us against the elements of our demanding environment, including damage incurred from exposure to ultraviolet light. Melanin, the pigment that colours our skin, acts as a light filter, reflecting and refracting ultraviolet light and preventing it from damaging our skin. The darker melanin, eumelanin, is present in our skin and increases our ability to prevent skin damage from ultraviolet light. As we have evolved and migrated, humans have adapted to its surroundings, with our skin required to provide a necessary level of sun protection. Pronominally our hair and skin colour, the density of melanin present in our skin. These changes resulted in humans carrying and exhibiting varied levels of melanin. To help better understand differences in skin and how skin interacts with ultraviolet light, skin has been classified into 6 different skin types as classified by the World Health Organization. Type 1 skin is very light-coloured skin which tends to freckle and will always burn when exposed to ultraviolet light, but will rarely tan. This skin type is most often seen in individuals with red or blonde hair and blue, green or brown eyes. Type 2 skin is light-coloured skin seen in individuals of European descent. Type 2 skin usually burns when exposed to ultraviolet light, but will sometimes tan. Individuals with type 2 skin most commonly have lighter coloured hair with blue, green or brown eyes. Type 1 and 2 skin can also be categorised together as melanocompromised skin. These individuals are at the highest risk of skin damage from ultraviolet light and at the highest risk of skin cancer. Type 3 skin is darker skin, which sometimes burns when exposed to ultraviolet light, but will usually tan. Individuals with type 3 skin normally have brown hair and blue, green or brown eyes. Type 4 skin is often called olive or Mediterranean skin. Type 4 skin rarely burns and often tans following exposure to ultraviolet light. Individuals with type 4 skin generally have brown or black hair with blue, green, brown or black eyes. Type 3 and 4 skin can be categorized together as melanocompetent skin. These individuals have greater natural protection from ultraviolet than those with skin types 1 and 2, but still have a risk of skin damage from ultraviolet light. Type 5 and 6 skin is generally categorized together and is characterized by dark brown or black skin with black hair and eyes. These skin types can also be referred to collectively as melanoprotected skin, as individuals with dark skin are naturally protected from much of the damage caused by ultraviolet light and have a significantly lower risk of developing skin cancer.